Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another episode here in the How to Stock Market series. For this video, I found a interesting article on Market Watch. The title is called "The 10 Commandments of Retirement," and basically the subtitle, "Forget Everyone Else's Problem. This is About You," by Richard Quinn. So basically, what he is saying is their retirement issues. Um, Social Security is solvent, Medicare is unaffordable, Americans aren't saving enough, and therefore it's harder for them to retire affordably, and they're financially illiterate. Okay, so here are this guy's 10 commandments of retirement. 1. If your pre-retirement lifestyle is set with the view to what you can sustain after you quit the workforce, you're likely on track. If not, retirement could mean a sharp drop in living standards. So, basically, have a vision for what you want, and once you retire, if you want to travel more, then you probably do require more savings for those trips. If not, then maybe you need a lesser amount, so I guess that does make sense, fairly obvious. Number 2 is remember that Social Security is designed to replace no more than 40% of the pre-retirement income, and 40% is an overestimate because the benefit calculation is skewed towards lower income Americans. In retirement, you'll want some steady sources of income, and Social Security is probably the most secure, but recognize that it's intended to be a minor part of your total income. So basically, number 2 is saying don't necessarily entirely focus on Social Security to cover your retirement expenses, and you should always have other sources of income in addition to that. Even though it is secure, you never know. Number 3 is to have a financial and estate plan that provides for your spouse and any others who depend on you financially and who may outlive you. Income annuities, investment income streams, and life insurance might all be a part of that plan. So be prepared financially on how you want to pass your money down the line once you are deceased or whatever may come of you. Number 4 is never forget the non-financial aspects of your retirement are important too. Think about any significant relocation long before you retire and consider trying it out first. It's a big mistake to think of retirement purely as leisure time, and remember, when it comes to the fun stuff, that takes money. So this is saying that to once again be thoughtful and plan ahead about your retirement. And yeah, number 5 is pay attention to communications from your employer, Social Security, Medicare, personal advisors, and others. What you don't know can hurt you. A missed deadline or any number of goose can do severe financial damage. So basically, be on top of your financial goals, and yeah, so you don't have to pay additional for your expenses. Number 6, put retirement savings ahead of other goals like college or a vacation home. Unless you have good pension plus Social Security, it's mostly up to you, and there are no second chances. So basically, your retirement savings are number 1 in terms of importance, and you should be focused on hitting your retirement savings. So yeah, unless you have a good pension plus Social Security, there are no second chances. Save as much money as possible. You can always reduce your savings rate later. Investment compounding is really a powerful load up on savings early in your career and let the money work for you in the decades that follow. When money gets tight, such as paying for the kids' college, you may need to trim savings for a few years, but if you're oversaved during the first 10 years or so of your career, you will likely still reach retirement in good shape. So keep saving. Recognize your taxes may not be lower during retirement. All the signs point to higher taxes in the future for everyone. To reduce my retirement tax bill, I favor Roth accounts and municipal bonds, mutual funds. 9th place, healthcare, high on your list of fixed expenses. Medicare plus supplemental insurance can cost a retired couple more than $700 a month, even if you're fortunate not. Those premiums are a big hit monthly, and they'll grow each year. Prescription drugs can also be a large expense. What if you aren't so fortunate? Remember that Medicare has no out-of-pocket limits. 10. Invest in ways that will provide a steady income stream in retirement. In many ways, retirement is no different from your working years. You want a steady flow of income. Do not be totally exposed to market fluctuations. You don't want to worry about where that 4% withdrawal rate will come from each year. So basically all this article is basically saying is be prepared and plan it in advance, so you're not susceptible of the mistakes that can occur when planning for your retirement. And that is it for this video, everyone. If you enjoyed, please hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video topic. Thank you.